You're getting paid, aren't you?
No, I'm not.
Oh, yeah. I forget.
What are we doing anyway?
We have to search for the species.
That's stupid.
Okay,
You need to identify it.
Well, I bet. This is your project now.
No, it's not. How do you identify a species?
Well, first you have to locate it.
All right, let's locate it.
Fine.
Do you see it yet?
No, this is taking forever. Don't worry. I don't care how long it takes us. We will find it.
Max, have you looked to your left?
What?
What is this lovely species?
Well, that might be knotweed.
Is it?
That's what we have to find out. Well, now we have to identify the plant. Identifying these plants, at least in the vital signs way, is kind of weird. You can't just look at it and say, that's the plant, no matter how obvious it is. Like, say, if you were identifying a tree, you couldn't just say, I think this is a tree because it looks like a tree. You'd have to make examples, like, it has branches or it has a lot of bark. That's just the rule. I don't know why, it's just one of those unknown things, like why the sun comes every morning, or why I'm this handsome.
Funny. So Max, how do you identify this?
I'm glad you asked. Well, you have to find, at least in the vital signs way, three points of evidence as to why this is not weed. So you take the information that could be on the vital signs note sheet or information that you know, and just say this plant has that kind of characteristic.
Okay, so give me one about this plant.
This plant, knotweed is known to have a sheath around it that is green with reddish purple spots, and this one obviously has reddish purple spots. It's number one.
So what's number two?
Over to you to the knotweed leaves. Knotweed leaves are usually very large, and they always have, obviously they're green, they always have a sort of heart-shaped leaf with a flattened base, more like a shield or a spade. And these leaves are obviously green, large, and shield-shapey issued. Lastly, the stems of a knotweed are usually hollow. I can't actually show that without breaking it, and I think that's illegal. But each node is separated by a large joint. And these stems clearly have separating joints. What, no snarky comment?
No.
Alright then.
We have identified our species!